Okay. Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today I am going to teach you operators in Python. Okay. So firstly, we have to cover doubts getting from the intern side. When I share the IPNB file in the WhatsApp group, so some student can't to download this file and don't open it because it's a IPNB file, so it's only open in Jupyter Notebook. So firstly, I am uh, tell you and how to open it and how to run it and how to see the content of this particular file. Okay. So this is your WhatsApp group and click on this file 3september.ipnby. Click on it. So I have already downloaded, so I just press cancel. So you see the 3september.ipnb file is available here. So I'm open my Jupyter notebook. Yeah, sorry, Jupyter home page. Yeah. So is the home page. So you see the upload option. So click on it and upload the file 3september.ipynb. Open it and click on upload. So you see the 3september.ipynb file is available here. Click on it. So you see it's open. Okay, got it?
Sir,
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
sir, please don't mind. Can you repeat the first step? How to open it?
Okay. Firstly, you click on the download section, download button. Okay. Then after downloading, you see the file in your PC. This like this 3september.ipynb file, and after that you go in a your home page, Jupyter home page, Jupyter home page like this. Okay, and click on this upload option. You see the upload option. You click on it, upload, and you select your IPYNB file, 3september.ipynb file, and open it and press upload. So it's already available in this my Jupyter notebook. So it's click on overwrite. So you see this is available. Okay. So this is my
Yes, sir. Thank
Jupyter
you.
file. So got it, guys? How to open IPYNB file in using Jupyter.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
And yes,
sir,
ma'am.
can we open it in any other Python programming apps
Yeah.
like Visual Studio?
Yeah. But I don't have I think Visual Studio. I'm using only Python, Python ID or Python as well, Jupyter Notebook as well as Google Colab. Yeah, ma'am. Any issue? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now, second thing is again I get some query how to download the notes and how to get the notes of the particular session. So again, I show you how to get your notes and download it. So let's see. Go to this site. I'm sharing this link in a comment section. Go through the site and click on it, the Python notes. You see the Python notes option is available here, and click on it, Python notes. Click on it, and you see the module 1.pdf, and click on it. You see the PDF is available. Okay, so click on the download section, and you the file. Okay, so got it? How to download? Getting your notes. Yeah, guys.
Yes, sir.
Any issues regarding notes? When I completing each and every task, then I uploaded all notes day by day on the site. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we start the session? Open. Okay. First, next thing is how many students complete their task? Presenting screen. So those is not done that. So I give you just some how to. So, I think all students are done, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 20, only 10 students done their task. But about others, okay, so I give you just short introduction on this. That how to design a small calculator. Okay, fastly. So first number, yeah. Any question? Okay.
Sir, you have to
Number.
type in.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Enter. Addition. Management. A into B. Division. Divided by D. And also print exponent. A dash D.
Excuse me, sir, your mic is off.
My mic is off. No, it's open. Now it's clear. Yeah, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's
Okay.
clear. You can carry
Okay.
on.
Okay. 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 So again, we have to print division operation. Division. A. By B. I think already right. Flow division. Okay. Flow division. We can print modulus. So I press shift enter. You see I'm enter 4 and 3. You'll see the addition, subtraction, as well as multiplication and division and exponent. 4 to the power 3 is a 16 and again 64 is a 64, and flow division as well as modulus. Sorry. So got it how to design a normal calculator using this arithmetic operators. Yeah, guys, it's clear. Yeah, tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today I'm studying the operators. Okay. Operators. So we have a lot of operators like arithmetic operators, relational operators, as well as exponent operators, and bitwise operators, logical operators, as well as membership operators. So firstly, we have to cover arithmetic operators. So you see, these are arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, division, exponent, flow division, modulus. These are arithmetic operator. Okay. So you have to cover a next topic: relational operators.
सर
Yes.
सर दिस प्रोग्राम ये जो वन सिंगल लाइन में राइट इन सिंगल लाइन
Yes.
सर दिस प्रोग्राम इज राइट सिंगल लाइन
Yes. Yes. Okay.
सर जो सिंगल लाइन में लिख सकते हैं सिंगल लाइन में से कोड कोऑर्डिनेट कर सकते हैं
Like this, the whole code written in single line.
यस
Let's try. No, it's a generator syntax error. Okay. Got it.
ओके
Okay. Next is list operator. So we have to create a variable like a equal to 10 and b equal to n equal to 6. So first operation is equal to operators equal to n. A equal to n. So anyone can guess what is outcome coming from this statement: a equal to n, true or false? Yeah, guys, tell
It's
me.
false, sir.
False. Okay.
False.
Yeah. Okay. Right. It's a false. Okay. So next is a is greater than n. Yeah. Tell me.
True, sir.
True. Okay.
True. True.
Okay. What about others?
True.
Okay.
True, sir.
True, sir.
It's true. And next is a is less than n. Yeah. Tell me.
False.
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 Yeah. Great. Great. False. Okay, next is okay. I'm changing the variable name to 10 and g equal to like again 10. Okay. perform A, so B greater than equal to G. Yeah, tell me guys.
True, sir.
True. True.
Okay. Yeah, it's right. True. And I'm changing. I can create a next variable. A equal to 10. B equal to 10. Perform next operation. A is less than equal to BP. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, guys, tell me what is the outcome coming from this statement.
False.
True, sir.
False.
True, sir.
True.
It's true.
True. True.
It's true. Okay.
It's true.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Okay.
True.
Run it. Yeah. Okay, it's true. Okay. Okay. So next is AA is not equal to BB. Right. Yeah. Tell me.
True, sir.
True.
True, sir.
True.
True, sir.
Okay.
True, sir.
Yeah. It's true. So got it? How the relation operators work in Python. So these are the
Yes.
relation operators. Equal to, greater than, less than, and greater than equal to, as well as less than equal to, and not equal to. Okay. So next is next operator is assignment operator. Okay. Assignment plus assignment operator. So we have to create a variable like a equal to 10. Guys, my voice is clear or not?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
It's clear.
Yes,
No?
sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then next variable is b equal to 5 and c equal to 25. So, we have to perform a assignment operator like this: a plus and equal to 2. Tell me, guys, what is output is coming from this statement: a plus equal to
12, sir.
12.
Well,
Okay. But about others?
12.
Yeah.
False.
False. No, sir.
No, sir. True. 12.
12. 12.
12. Yeah. 12 is the right answer. So it is same as equal to a equal to a plus 2. Okay. When we create a variable a, then perform this operation a plus equal to 2. Then it's same as a equal to a plus 2. Then this variable value of a is coming in this statement like a. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So this 12 value assign in another variable a. Okay. And press and shift enter, then print a. So you see the value of a is updated. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So next is subtraction and division, multiplication, modulus, as well as exponent assignment operation. Okay. So I'm just creating uh, comment addition. Addition. Okay. B equal to 12 and b plus and equal to output is
24, sir.
24.
and next is subtraction operator. So b minus equal to like 12. Yeah. Output
Zero.
is
0, sir.
0, sir. 12.
Z
12, sir. 12, sir.
12 or 0,
12,
guys.
sir.
12, sir.
12, sir. 12, sir.
12.
12.
12.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Zero, sir.
Okay, you are right. Because the variable name is not changed. In an initial condition, we have to assign b equal to 12, and after that we have to increment is by 12. So it's 12 is 12, 20. So value of b is updated as a 24. Okay. Then we again perform a subtraction operation on a same variable like b minus. So it's minus 12 from the this previous variable like 24. 24.
So you are not
It's,
audible.
written
Sir, your voice is not clear.
So you're
as 12.
hello.
12. So got it? How the subtraction operation
Yes,
works?
sir.
Sir,
So you are not audible.
Give me a minute. Now it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you getting this point? Subtraction operators, how it is work?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next is division operator. Okay. Division operator. And assign b divided and equal to 2. Yeah, guys. Tell me
Six.
what is our
six,
what is
Six.
from
sir,
6.
Sir.
Okay. Wait. Yeah. I'm just performing this operation like is equal to plus equal to 12, then enter b minus equal to 12, and again enter b plus equal to 2, and run it. Now tell me what is the value of b is coming from this?
14.
14.
14.
Okay. What
Huh.
about others?
14, sir.
14.
ಏನು ಮಾಡೋ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಹಂಗೈತೆ.
Yeah, 14.
14, sir.
Yeah, guys. So I am performing a division operation. This like equal to 7. Yeah. Output is
2, sir. 2.
2, sir.
okay. Right. And we get 2. Okay. So next is multiplication operation. Okay. C A B and asterisk is equal to uh, like 12. Yeah, guys, tell me.
24, sir.
24, sir.
Okay, 24. 24. You got it right. How the multiplication operator is work, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next is modulus. Modulus. Okay. Modulus operators. So B modulus is equal to 3. Yeah, guys, tell me.
0.
0, sir.
0. Okay. Any
0,
others? Okay. What about others?
0, sir.
Okay, 0.
0, sir.
Yes, sir,
And
0.
we got it 0. Okay. So it's fine, right? So next is exponent operation. We have to create another variable like z equal to 10 and perform that exponent. Yes. And z asterisk and equal to 10. Yeah, tell me.
1000.
1000. Okay, what about others? Yeah, guys,
1000, sir.
1000. Okay, any other?
1000 sir, 1000.
No, sir, it's 10 power 10, sir.
10,000.
100 crore. It's
10
10
power
power 10.
10, sir.
Yeah, 10 to the power 10. It's a correct answer. Like this. Not 1000, not 10,000. It's a 10 to the power 10. Because guys, this is a exponent operation. Okay. In a previous example, this calculator, I have already told you we have to use like a variable as a 4 and next is 3. Okay, then we perform a exponent operation like this exponent. So a is 4 and v is 3. So 4 to the power 3 is 64, right? So in this case, we have to create another variable like z equal to 10. Then we perform an exponent operation exponent operation as equal to 10. So it's same as 10 to the power 10. So got it, guys? How the exponent operation is work?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
I give you a small question
Yes sir.
and tell me the answer of this particular question. Okay, we have to create another variable a equal to like 67. Okay, and perform a plus and equal to 34. Again a minus equal to 34 67. Then enter a multiply by and equal to 12. And again a I think it's too long. G. And divided and equal to by 5 and a exponent modulus equal to 3. Again a exponent equal to 2. Yeah, guys, tell me what is the outcome coming from this statement. Yeah, hurry up, guys, and try.
So first is 101,
First is
First is
101.
1.
101, 33,
Second is
Sir,
33.
sir,
33,
0.35.
No, guys,
Third is
wait.
99.
Guys, wait. I
101 sir.
sorry.
So answer.
Sir, 0.35 final answer.
0.35.
35.
Yeah. I'm give me the final answer when you try to this operation in the variable a. Give me the final answer and the
Yes, sir, final
updated
answer.
value of a. Yeah, guys. What about others?
Sir, final answer 0.35.
Okay, great. Waiting for some others answer. Yeah, guys.
Sir, I think the final answer is 36.
36.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Any other guys? Guys, it's too easy. Just try.
5.75, sir.
Next answer is 5.75. Okay. Others?
5.76, sir.
5.76. Okay.
Yes, sir. 5.75 final answer.
5.75 final answer. Yes, any other? Any other getting the different answer from these 5.76, 5.75, and 36 and 3.35? Yeah, guys. Okay, so we just print shift enter. Press the value of A, so we get 5.75. So I think 5.75 is the correct answer. Okay. So I think it's understand how the addition, subtraction, as well as multiplication, division, modulus, as well as exponent operation is work. Got it?
सर
Yes.
परसेंटेज के आगे का एक्सप्लेन
Yeah.
परसेंटेज ए परसेंटेज हाँ पोस्ट टिप
Okay. So it's written the remainder. For example, like 22 modulus 3. So 12 is perfectly divisible by 3. So when press shift enter, then you got 0 because no remainder is in this case. Okay. Again, we type like 13 divided modulus 2, then we got 1. Got it?
Sir, how to get the seal value, sir, when we are dividing number?
Sorry.
How to get the seal value, sir? I mean, we have floor division, right? Operator.
Floor
What is-
division.
Yeah.
Floor division, it returns the only integer value. For example, like 10 divided by 3. Okay. Then run it, then you see 3.333. But we perform a floor division. So we get the only integer form. That's 3.
So in the same way, how we get the seal value?
How to get?
Seal value, sir.
String value.
No, sir. Floor seal, you know that, right? Seal value. I mean,
Seal value.
yeah, yes, sir.
I don't know what is seal value. I heard this word at a first time. Seal value. I don't know. Anyone have any idea about the seal value?
Sir, it will round up the value.
Round up the value.
Yes, sir. If the value is greater than 0.5, it will round up to the 3. 1.
Okay. So it's a function.
Yes, sir. Seal function.
Okay. So next topic is bitwise operators. Okay. So everything is clear till now. Yeah.
यस
Okay. So bitwise operator. Okay. First is ampersand. So Anand. Okay. So we just type 8 and ampersand 7. So we get 0. So anyone can tell me how it is work? Yeah, guys, how it is work? 8 ampersand 7 is written 0. Yeah, guys, you have any idea?
No idea, sir.
No.
Okay.
Basically, yeah. Okay. Basically, this is the AND operation. Okay. So I will show you how it is work.
सर इज इट इज प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू एंड और गेट
Yeah. AND gate or OR gate. Yes, right. I will tell you how the some
First, we
percentage.
have to convert them into binary form, sir.
Yes, got it. I think yeah, it's right. So can you tell me how to convert the 8 into a binary form? How to convert?
It's one
How?
triple zero
Using?
by
Okay.
using
Yeah.
2 power n formulas.
Yeah. 1, 2, 4. Sorry. 8, 4, 2, 1. Yeah.
8421.
Yeah. It's right. So wait, guys. You see, when we enter, uh, taking the user and input from the user as a 00, then we get 0. Okay. Then again the value of a is 0 and b is 1, then again we get 0. Then value of a, first input is 1, then second input is 0, then we again definitely get 0. And say last is value of a is again 1, then b is 1, then we get 1. So in this case, like 8. So what is the binary form of 8? So we have to use this
100.
1000, right? So show you how it works. Okay. Create 1, 2, 4, 8, right? So my number is, sorry guys, it's too difficult to write in int. 8. Okay. So you have to convert this decimal number into binary form. So when we get the 8, so we just type 1 and other is 0. Okay. So the binary form of 8 is 1000. Okay. So we just type hash 8 equal to 1000. Okay. Then same as 7. Yes.
0111.
0. Yes.
Triple one.
Okay, got it. Yeah. So I will also show you how in this case the both operation is different, like 000110. So we get 0. Okay. And both operation is same and it's same equal to 1, then we get 1. So in this case both inputs is different, so we get only 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in a next condition again, the first input and second input is again different, so again we get 0. And third is 01, again it's different, so we get 0. Okay. And last one is again 0. So the final outcome is return 0. So I think it's clear how the AND operation is work. And yeah, got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is 12. No, yeah, 12 and 16. Again, it returns 0. Okay, I'm changing the name. 5. Yeah. Tell me, guys, how it is work. Yeah, first of all, you convert the decimal number 5 into a binary number. So anyone can tell me what is the binary form of the 5 using this method?
0101.
5, sir,
Zero,
final
5
output.
01.
01. 01. No,
0101, sir.
give me a minute. 01, right?
0101.
0101.
0101. Again.
Yeah, 0101. Yeah.
Hmm.
So it's 0101 because the number is 5. So 1, 1 and 4 or 1, 5, and other elements is going to be 0. Okay. And next is 15. Yeah, tell me. 15.
1101.
11. Okay.
4-1, sir.
41, sir.
4-1.
11.
All one. All one.
8 or 12, 13,
So
14,
all
15.
are
Yeah,
one.
all one. Yeah, right. All one. All. Okay. So you see the input, both input is matched. So it's right, and it returns 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Second is different. So again
0.
it returns 0. Yeah. And third is again
1.
same. It returns 1. And last is
0.
returns
0.
0. So my final outcome is
0101.
1, 0 into a decimal form. So again we follow the table. 4, sorry, 4, 8. You see 1 is only 4. This one is 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to
5.
5. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So my next question
Yes, sir.
is convert 34 sorry percent yeah, this outcome is coming from this operation. I am creating a table like 1, 2, 4.
Sir, you're not audible.
Last one is 32. Table.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Clear?
So your video is also not running.
Sir, please rejoin.
No,
Try to
sir.
rejoin.
Yeah, guys, tell me now it's clear.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
clear.
sir.
It's clear now.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Actually, I'm losing my connection, so sorry for that.
Yes.
So you see this table 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 34, 32. It's helped to convert uh, this 34 into a binary form as well as 56 into a binary form. So guys, just try and tell me what is the binary form of this 34 and binary form of 56, and tell me the final outcome is coming from this 34 and percent 56. Yeah, guys, tell me. Right. I'm getting the answer from every student.
Sir, please show me question.
Sir, what's the question?
Sir, please show me question again.
Okay. The question is, what is the outcome coming from this? 34 ampersand 56. I'm also writing.
1000.
32, sir.
Incoming.
Yes, sir,
32.
32.
Convert into decimal form and tell me. Actually, I am. Give me a minute. Now my voice is clear.
No, sir.
Now,
Sir, answer is 32.
Yes, sir.
now my voice is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. But about others?
32, sir.
32.
32.
Okay.
32, sir.
Okay.
32.
32. So let's check. Yeah, it's 32. So guys, can you tell me what is the binary form of 34? Yeah. 100010. Is right or not?
The last
Sir,
Yeah, guys.
1010.
1010. Yeah. Next is 56. So I think it's 110. Sorry, 1000. Right?
Sir, 111 000. Yes, sir, right.
Yeah.
Triple one triple zero.
Okay. So got it, guys? How the ampersand operation is worked in the Python. Okay. So I'm just type and okay. So next is OR operation. It is also known as pipeline. Hashtag this symbol is and OR. So again I convert 8 amperes. Sorry, 7. Yeah, it's written 15. So how it is work? Open the AND gate. Okay, sorry, OR gate. And OR gate. You see, when my first input is 0 and second input is 0, then we get outcome same as 0. But my first input is 0 and second is 1, then it's written 1. And third is first input is 1, second is 0, then again we get 1. And last is both inputs are 1, then we get 1. So basically it's a addition operation. Okay. So again, go to the Jupyter. You see 8, 8, then OR operation and 7. Then first of all, we have to convert 8 into binary form. Then after that, you have to convert 7 in the binary form. Then perform the OR operation. Okay, so I show you. So again, it is
15.
Okay, 15.
15.
Yeah,
Yes.
15. Got it. So type this 1, and 2, 4, and 8. Okay. So my first operand is 8. So 8 is 1, and next is 0. 0 and 0. And next is 7. 7, 4, 2, 6 and 1, 7. And we write 0. Okay. So we perform a OR operation. So you see, when both input is 0, then we get 0. So both input is 0, 0, 0, no. Next is 0, 1, then we get 1, 1, 0, again get 1, then 1, 1, again get 1. So again, in this case, we get 1. Okay. In this case, again, we get 1. Again, in this case, we get 1. And again, in this case, we get 1. So my final binary digit is 1, 1, 1, 1. And it's same as 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8, 4, 12, 13, 14. And answer is
15.
15.
15.
Okay. So got it, guys? How the OR operation is work?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think everything is clear till now. AND operation as well as this OR operation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we wind up this session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Santoshi ma'am?